so excited to try Birch Bender's plant protein pancake mix, you guys. We're also gonna add some vegan Nutella, and I'm pretty sure it was Fit Waffle Kitchen that I used this for the cookie Nutella pie thing. Also had where you do pancakes, you put this in the middle. So we're gonna try it and see what happens. The directions, we have 3/4 cup of the pancake mix, and then it says to only add 3/4 cup of the water at first and mix it up because you might not need it all, and I get that. All right, so we got a little batter. I'm gonna get some of this Nut. That's what I'm gonna call it instead of Nutella. Just like a little bloop blop, bleep blop. And there's another little bloop blop. Oh my God, we're getting wild. We're getting wild. And then another little dollop on top. Ooh, okay. This is actually easier. It's easy. It's fine. Everybody relax. Nothing to see here. Just an extra Nutella zhuzh, or to be honest, zhuzh, to kick it off. Because that's what they do in the video. I don't know, man. I'm just following the video. All right, y'all. Let's see. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. Oh, baby girl, yes. All right, let's taste this. Try to get an end piece to actually taste the pancake part, right? I should have used my fork earrings, right? Just like last time. Let me make sure. Let me make sure I just get like just a pancake. Yeah. I mean, it's the best pancake in the world, no. But that slaps. For just add water for like a weekday or something. And then you add on that, to be honest. Okay. 10 out of 10.